The Rocky Mountain Law Enforcement Federal Credit Union was founded during a time of dire need. It was 1938, and the Great Depression was in full swing. Denver police officers needed money, but had nothing of value to get a loan. A few members of the Denver Police Department took the initiative and spearheaded an effort to seek approval from Mayor George Begole to establish a credit union intended to help their fellow officers. On August 2, 1938, the Denver Police Federal Credit Union was established, a financial cooperative owned and directed by the same people who use it.
At that time, it was the Denver Police Credit Union. It was in the basement of police headquarters, 13th and Champa. One little room at the end of the basement behind the pistol range and next to the military police station down there. There was one lady that worked there, Jan Chambers, and that was the credit union.
The Denver Police Credit Union played an integral part in any officer's confirmation.
What's really cool is since 1938, when we opened, is that we still do those same recruit loans as they did back then.
Well, I joined the credit union, actually I can tell you the date, March 16th, 1967. That's the day that the first day I was hired on the police department, and the routine for that day was you put your suit and tie on, you went to the mayor's office, they swore you in, and then you went from there to the police headquarters building till they took you downstairs to the basement to the credit union, and everybody took a signature loan for $250. And that $250 was what bought your gun. The older guys on the job would tell you stories about being able to walk down the hall, and if you needed a loan and you saw one of the officers of the credit union, you tell him you needed a loan and you take the money out of his pocket and give it to you.
While the Rocky Mountain Law Enforcement Federal Credit Union continues to grow, some things never change: our commitment and service to our members.
The credit union isn't just the bank.
Yes, you can come in here and it's not unusual to run into people you know.
The Rocky Mountain Law Enforcement Federal Credit Union is more than just a financial institution. RMLEFCU is a community of members connected by the thin blue line.